Hi everyone, welcome to Sydney, and in the following video we'll talk about the homepage structure. So first of all, as we scroll down the following page, we see that we have our header and our navigation menu here. Next off, we have an image slideshow, and as we scroll down, we have just a very small area with some text and some basic banners. Also at the footer of our website, we have our Flow Instagram widget, and then our social media icons and so forth. So in this video, we will talk about how to customize and adjust the following text area and these banners. This is essentially a visual composer shortcode that can be obtained in our documentation. Currently, I have the Visual Composer shortcode just within the backend of our website. So I'll copy this shortcode just like so, and I will go to the backend of my test website, which is this over here. As you can see, I have just the image slideshow, and I have our Flow Instagram. I don't have anything else in terms of our text and the following banners here. So what I'll need to do is go over to the backend of my site, go over to Pages, open up my home page, switch over to text mode, and simply copy paste the following Visual Composer shortcode into this body of content. Okay, next off, simply click on Update, and if we go over to our home page, we'll refresh this, and you see that now we have our text and we have the area for our images to be added. Okay, so let's jump over to the backend once again, and we will open up our front-end editor in a new tab. Okay, this way we can edit all of our sections. As we scroll down the following page, we have several blocks of content. We have our text block, and next off we have our image blocks over here as well. Okay, so in order to edit the following text block, what you need to do is simply click on the following edit icon, and you can edit our text. And this is just a standard WordPress text editor. There's really not much to it. It is exactly the same as what you'd have within the backend of your site. Now, as we scroll down the following section, there are also several areas for custom CSS coding if that would be required for more advanced users. But just for basic users, this is sufficient. You simply edit your text. You have the standard options of your header types and additional text formats. Okay, as we close this off, we'll scroll down the following area, and here we have the option to add in our images or our banners. So let's go ahead and just hover over this area, and we have this little light green area show up. We'll click on the edit icon, and we'll click here to upload our image. We'll select the Wedding Chicks banner, click on Set Image, and it will be added over here. As we click on Save Changes, you will see that the banner is added into the following area. Now, if you want to link the following banner to a specific link, for example, you scroll down the following page, and here we have an option where it says On Click Action. Basically, what happens once you click on the following banner. Currently, it is set to none. Now, you can link it to a larger image. You can open up in a pretty photo, and you can open up in a custom link, meaning once you select the following option, you add in your Wedding Chicks link into the following field. Okay, and you can also zoom into the following image, but in our case, we can just open it up in a different link. So let me just go ahead and get, let's say, flothemes.com. I will copy and paste it here, and once we've added our link, we then need to select our link target, meaning to open up the following link either in the same window or in a new window. We do recommend to open it up in a new window. That way users are not redirected away from your website to the other website. It'll just open up in a new tab or in a new window. Okay, so go ahead and click on Save Changes, and then simply close the following area. So at this point, what I'll do is just add 4 or 3 more banners into the following area, and then we'll update our page. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on Update. And as soon as the page has been updated, we'll have a success message at the top. There we go, successfully updated. So we'll go ahead over to our home page, refresh this. There we go, and here we have all of our banners. And as we click on the following link, we are redirected to flothemes.com, and it will open up in a new tab just like so. Okay, so Let's take a look, for example, if we want to have 3 banners or 2 banners instead of 4, how do we make those adjustments? So once again, we'll need to open up our front-end editor, and let's go ahead and remove the following image with the 4th Wedding Chicks banner. So we'll remove this, confirm the removal, and at this point we need to adjust and make sure that these 3 are evenly spread out. So in our case, we need to hover over this row area, expand these options, click on the following change layout button, and select our layout button over here. There we go, and as you'll see, this changed to 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, meaning that all of these areas get 1/3 of the page width. Okay, so then go ahead and click on Update, and simply close the following area. And now we have each banner taking up 1/3 of the following page. If we need to have 2 banners, do the exact same thing. Simply remove one of these, and open up our row layouts, and select the following option, click on Update, and then simply close this area here. Okay. Next off, what you can also do in terms of image editing, click on the following Edit Image. As we scroll down the following area, depending on your image size, there are options to either have a thumbnail, medium, large, or full-size images. So let's just say we want to have a full image. We'll copy paste this here, or you simply type in full, click on Save Changes, and our changes will be saved. Okay, then go ahead and close this off. So that way our image will take up the entire width of this area here. Okay, so these are just some areas for you to adjust. Once again, once all of your changes are done, go ahead and click on Update, and then we'll refresh our home page once again. There we go. Okay, so this is it in terms of the Visual Composer shortcode. We do hope this video helps. Once again, this shortcode will be available within our written documentation. Copy that code and paste it into the following area here, and be sure that you are in text mode. Okay, other than that, this is it, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.